We're looking at 5 game-changing technologies that are already here, that each one individually has the capacity to change the world. And the first one we've dealt with is lab-grown meats, which for acceptability reasons we now call cultured meats. First of all, cost. When the first burger was produced 5 years ago, it cost £200,000. Last year that came down to £8. It is reckoned that sometime next year it will fall below the cost of meat produced from actual living animals. So we're looking at a very low-cost way of producing meat. Secondly, it is safer. None of the illnesses that get transferred from animals to people come through lab-grown meats. It can be produced in sterile conditions. We're looking at antibiotics. We feed animals antibiotics and that produces antibiotic-resistant bacteria. It will not happen with lab-grown meat. We're looking at land use. It takes 1% of the land to produce the same amount of meat as animal husbandry does. That means all of the rest of that land can be used for other purposes. We're looking at food for the world, very cheap, protein, high-quality food that the world can eat. As countries get richer, they tend to consume more meat. That would be very bad for the environment if it meant the use of real, live, living animals. It doesn't. It can be lab-grown, cultured meats. What will the rich do? They always like to do something bizarre and different. They will use exotic meats. They will dine on steaks made from giant pandas and Komodo dragons because, of course, none of the living animals were threatened. It only takes a few cells to do it. The UK should encourage this by resisting any attempts to regulate it out of existence, and we should furthermore make sure that this multi-billion-dollar industry can be based in the UK and make us a world leader in its technology.